Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. Imagine your business has fallen for a ransomware attack. Criminals have stolen your data and are demanding a huge ransom fee to get it back. It's a nightmare. And you might not believe this, but the latest development in ransomware is that criminals are now offering payment extension options. Choose to pay to delay the publication of your stolen data, or pay to delete it before it goes public. They've added features like countdown clocks to their websites to make victims feel pressured. But hold on, paying a ransom is always a bad idea. It doesn't ensure your data's return, it funds criminals, and could even land you in legal hot water. So how do you protect your business? Through prevention. Regular secure backups, staff education, security tools, keeping software updated, and a good incident response plan. A proactive approach is always better. We can help with that. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.